Hello, it's Emily at CCCampers. Today I'm going to be showing you around our Shelsley conversion. We named it the Shelsley after the oldest racetrack in the world, which is just down the road from our Christop workspace. Here I am in the cockpit of the Shelsley conversion. It's incredibly ergonomic, it has pockets galore, I love the touch screen. It's got everything that you would expect from a CCCampers luxury motor caravan. Okay, so you have your upright travelling position, which is as is at the minute. We then have another seating position, so you just pull that bar underneath and you go into the first clip, which is slightly more reclined, which is really nice if you're reading a book or you just want to be a little bit more relaxed in the back of the camper car. If you go and pull again, we have another seating position, which is this one, which is slightly more reclined. And you can pull the front swivel seat forwards if you wanted to put your feet up there. It's nice for sort of reading, relaxing, enjoying the outside with the door open. Or we then have the full bedtime mode where we just pull down and it's as simple as that. The bed then clicks into place and then you're ready for bedtime. There we have it. And to pull back up, there is a little catch under the seat here, which you simply pull, and then I just pull this back up. Then it is as simple as you pull the swivel seat backwards and then turn. Put the seat back around that side. Swivel and then you align it and you can push it back if that's how you want to sit, and have the table in the middle, or obviously you can bring those forwards if you want a closer dining space. Here you see I've got up into the roof bed. I am 5'10" and it's spacious, so you could easily sleep 3 children in here. The mattress absorbs your body heat and reflects it back to you, so it's great not to have to worry about the children being cold. This is the back of the Shelsley. This particular one has a bike rack which can fit 2 bikes on. I personally like the up and over tailgate because what you find is if it's raining you've got that extra protection, and if it's sunny then you can pull that across and then you've got shade. Here you can see the 13 amp outlet socket for main supply outside. It also has a 12 volt lighter type socket. You've got your TV and satellite inlets for when you're on campsite too here. Here I am, rather excited about the LED awning light. We've rolled out the Fiamma awning here for you to see. That's all from me today. I hope you've enjoyed your virtual tour of the Shelsley conversion, and we'll see you next time.